Hi, good morning everybody. I represent Landmark Construction. I'm Dinesh Balakrishnan, Vice President Business Development. We have around 16-17 projects ongoing in Chennai, inside the city, and we have some exciting projects forthcoming in Chennai, in and around Chennai. Some of that is listed here. We are launching a project in Perungudi at present, and we are coming up with a project near Doughton, off Doughton, Perambur Barracks Road. That is around 14.5 acres. We have coming around 1,800 apartments there. And another one is Punamalli. It's called Skipton Square. It's around 600 to 800 apartments. And Perungudi also we are coming up with an exciting project, which is in Corporation Road, which is around 800 apartments. Landmark established in 1996, and our Managing Director, Mr. Uday Kumar, he's a he's a civil engineer by himself. And we have a team of around 200 people dedicated and working for making happy homes. Thank you.
So, what are the amenities available and how do you look at the business in OMR? Is it prospective or which is a prospective?
See, at present there are many developments which is happening in the south part of Chennai, and OMR, of course, when you say OMR, I would be positive about the places still Sholinganallur. OMR starts from Adigalas up to maybe Mahabalipuram, but I am very positive about the location still Sholinganallur. We have two projects coming up there, which is one is two in Perungudi, one is in Corporation Road, which is around 800 apartments. Amenities, we have all the luxury amenities we have. The premium projects in Peters Road, all these places we have 16,000 square feet of clubhouse, which is coming in the terrace level, which is first of its kind in Chennai. I think that is going to be a talk of the town. We will be completing that project in another 6-7 months.
What is the response here in Chennai?
Yeah, FairPro, certainly it's a most sought after real estate exhibition in Chennai, and it has become a very prominent brand. Every year during February third week, we are getting a very good response, and last time also it was really nice. We did around, I think around 200 to 250 crores. This time also is very, very positive. Real estate business for for last 6 months we are facing a little slump, but I think there are positive signs. Last month was really nice, and this month maybe because of FairPro also we will be doing a good sale. And fellow builders and our CREDAI members, I think most of the people are doing extremely good business this time. We are basically only inside the city, and we don't have anything as far as we don't have anything in suburbs. Landmark, as a builder, we normally have projects inside the city. At present, we concentrate only inside the city, but we are coming up with one project in Tirumalizai and one in Krompet. Krompet will take maybe another 6-7 months, and Tirumalizai, I think another 4 or 5 months we will be able to launch.
Thank you.
Thank you very much.